Alright guys, I welcome you to my channel. This is KP and we are into the fourth video of this Python series. So what we will be seeing today? We will be starting arithmetic, let me write, arithmetic operations. Okay, so there are arithmetic operators. What are those? Let me write one by one. Plus, then I can say minus. This is the star for multiplication, and this is not this one. Okay, so this is for division, and this is for another type of division. I will explain you by example, and this gives you reminder. What is that? Percentile. And next, double asterisk or double star. I will explain you this with example. Okay, so let's start. I am going to my command prompt. There I have one folder called documents. Inside that I have one more folder, that is Python code. And now I will be opening Jupyter notebook. So just wait for a second. It will give you the URL or open in browser by itself. So from today onwards I will be keeping notes and like what are the examples I am solving, and I will upload them in GitHub, and you can find the link in the description below. Okay, so why it's taking much time? Let's wait. Okay, so finally my Jupyter notebook is present. Now I am clicking here, new Python 3 file I want to create. So let me rename as today's video number 4, and the topic is, let me copy from here, arithmetic operations, isn't it? Copy and paste it here. All good. Now let's continue arithmetic operations. So again, let me write the same topic name here. I'm pasting here, then I will change this cell as heading, and this is level 2 heading because there is 2 hashtag. So if I give one hashtag, it will be the greater heading, like big heading. If I put double hash, then it will be bit smaller. Okay, so no problem, it is looking good and well and fine. So first is, suppose plus. Let me write here plus. Where is plus symbol? Yes. And let me again convert it into heading, and okay, I know that, and I'm putting here triple hash. Okay, first is I am telling about plus. So print is the statement, print statement will print everything whatever you put inside it. Print for 4. So for example, I want to add two numbers, 4 plus 5. You can run here, or you can press shift plus enter. Addition operation, let me write here. This is called as, oh yes, addition. All right, then again similarly you can do it subtraction. Let me write subtraction, spelling, yes, subtraction. All right, and I'm giving here as heading. Okay, I know that 3 hashtag. So how to subtract? Print inside the bracket, I'm writing 18 minus 5. Shift plus enter, execute. It's 13. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Then comes multiplication. For multiplication we use asterisk symbol, or maybe star you can say. Let me write multiplication, and I'm putting triple hash space, then change it into heading. Okay, hash. So addition, subtraction, multiplication will be, suppose I'm copying this one and pasting it over here and just changing the negative to star. So the answer is 90, or the output is 90. So again, then comes division. For division we can use slash. Let me write division, and let me convert this into heading. Okay, and put two more hashtag. So it's division. I had already copied. Now let me paste, and I am doing here slash. So the output is 3.6. So you can see these are all integers, 9 and 13, 90. These are all integers, and this is decimal value, 3.6, this dot. So this is also known as floating value, floating point number. Okay, next I had told you something about this symbol. So what I can say, I will write later what is the heading. First let me give you the example. Okay, so I am putting two more hashtag and enter. So what it does, let me show you. I'm copying the same thing and pasting it over here. Double hash, sorry, double what I can say, forward slash. If I run it, I'm running here. So what you can see, it is removing the decimal part. Okay, only giving the integer part. So suppose I want to give one more example. Let me try with this one. Copying here, pasting it over here, and I'm putting here 3. It is giving 6. But if I will put the same thing over here, I'm clicking on plus, it will give me another cell, and I'm putting here this with 3. Now if I execute, you can see here it is also 6, it is also 6, but this division gives you the decimal value also 6.0 or 3.6, something like that, but it gives you integer. So I can write something like maybe integer division. Integer, it may not be correct, but you understand the point, integer division. Okay, next, what next we have seen till now. Okay, then comes modulus. Modulus, I think. So this is the symbol. What is this? And I'm writing here modulus, and let me change, this is heading. Okay, I know that, and put two more hashtags. Okay, so for example, I'm pasting the same thing, and here I will put percent. If I run shift plus enter, it will give you 3, because 3 is the, what I can say, remainder of this division. So if I do this one, let me copy and paste it over here, it will be 0, because 18 is completely divisible by 3. So there is no remainder. This is here remainder 3. So I hope you understood this point. Then comes double star or double asterisk. So let me give the heading double star star star. Then let me change it to the heading. Okay, two more hashtags. I will write what it does later. Let me give an example. Suppose I am writing one print statement. I want 3 into 3. What I will write? 3 star 3. It will give me 9. Suppose I want one more star 3. So 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So I will write one more, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 3. So it will be 81. So it is something like, let me show you. If you know power, in some language we use this symbol. Let me search. Yes, this one, 3 star 4. It means 3 to the power 4. Multiply 3 4 times, isn't it? Same thing how I can do with double star. The same thing I can do with double star. Let me write print 3 double star star star. Where is star star? This spacing is not required, I am just giving for your clarity. 4. multiply 3 4 times, it means 3 to the power 4. Run, same thing, same output. Okay, so anything else, you can do the same thing with. For one more example, let me give maybe 16 star star 16, this one. Okay, all right, so this was the example, and let me write here the heading. So this is power. In C or C++, I think the function is pow, something like that. I don't remember actually. This is the function pow. Okay, so I hope you understood the arithmetic operations about this. Let me remove. And okay, so all these operations we will be using later, and that's all for this video. I will save a checkpoint. Let me do save and checkpoint. Now I will upload and give the link in the description below. So this is how it looks like, and you can just, if you want, download as a, where is that, edit, view, I think here, new notebook, no, save as, yes, here is download as. You can write download like HTML. Just wait, let me show you how the HTML format looks like. See here, it becomes one HTML page. So I can do like this, or I will upload the same thing. I will upload the same .ipynb format. Okay, so you can just copy and try practicing. Okay, that's all guys for this video, and thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.